90% of AI startups are failing, not because the technology is weak, but because of how AI is being built, positioned, and sold. In 2024 alone, companies like Google, Meta, Microsoft, and Amazon invested hundreds of billions of dollars into AI. Every month, hundreds of new AI startups launch. Every week, a new AI tool goes viral. Demos look magical. Founders are shipping faster than ever. But when you zoom in, the reality shifts. So, what's exactly going wrong? Is the AI race overheating? Is the bubble about to burst? And in the middle of all this, is the AI learning still worth it? That's exactly what we are breaking down today. Despite rapid innovation, most AI startups don't survive because they build what sounds intelligent, not what feels urgent. Many are solving the same problem using the same APIs, infrastructure, underlying intelligence, only the interface changes. When everyone builds on the same foundation, competition intensifies, pricing collapses, margins disappear. And if the platform they rely on changes the rules, their entire startup can vanish overnight. Impressive demos don't guarantee revenue. They attract investors, they trend on Twitter, but they don't always retain paying customers. If you are not solving a clear problem for a customer who's willing to pay long term, your business won't last. AI can help you reduce costs, but cutting costs isn't the same as creating value. AI is expensive to run. Every query response costs money. Even free user increase your burn. According to Gartner, 30 to 40% of AI startups burn more cash than traditional SaaS companies. Those that ignore cost efficiency from day one are already struggling, and many more are shutting down. As AI gets more powerful, expectations go up. Customers don't want just cool features, they want clear results. And when execution is weak, it shows immediately. So yes, more AI startup will fall. But does this mean AI era is ending? No. What's ending is hype-driven AI. We are witnessing a shift. Problem-driven AI is taking over. AI that solves real-world problems, is built on strong engineering foundation, and keeps cost under control, is growing fast and will continue to grow till 2030. Industries like healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and climate tech are already using AI where it creates measurable value. This shift changes what building a career in AI truly means. Just using AI tool is no longer enough. To stay relevant, student needs to understand AI and machine learning, data structure and algorithm, system thinking, and problem first engineering. These are not optional anymore, they are essential. This is where Mirai School of Technology fits in. Mirai is not preparing students for AI hype, it prepares them for AI ecosystem that actually forming. If you want to build an AI that survives, scales, and create measurable value, then the foundation matters. Because the future won't belong to those who chase the trend, it will belong to those who build it right.